1908, April 11, 2025, Rednomics 969 hours of progress in a global horror simulation. Currently, the Cube Creator sample program from the FBX SDK has been allowed to build and compile and run on this machine. This was done by modifying the CMake list file from the SDK's sample example code. Now that this is actually working and up and running, this is very good as it allows one to look at the source code in order to learn more about how to do things such as applying textures and animating a FBX file from scratch, and to learn how the SDK works. The intention going forward, now that this is working, is to look through the code for this sample program as well as the other sample programs, as the process for getting this sample program to work should work plausibly for any of the other sample programs, which, according to the SDK, include just about anything one might want to look into. There are various sample programs, and they all have their source code included, and interestingly enough, it would appear that the UI for this version was created using the Win32 API, as that seems to be shown from the UI file. But the important part here is the SDK utility file, which demonstrates the use of the SDK to do things such as creating a 3D object and applying a texture to it.